Hello student, good morning to all. Today I am going to take lecture of 12th class and today's topic energy density of electric field. Energy density means the energy stored per unit electric field in a capacitor is known as energy density. It means energy density equal to total energy stored upon volume of electric field. Volume of electric field means, as you know, in a parallel plate capacitor, this is positive plate, this is negative plate, and area of plate is A and distance between plate is B. This region is occupied by electric field E. So the volume of the capacitor is equal to AB. And this region is filled by electric field. Between volume of electric field is V, and V equal to A into D. Okay. So let a capacitor of capacitance C charged by a battery charge on capacitor is Q and potential difference between plate is V. Okay. Then the energy stored in per unit volume U. U is the symbol of energy stored per unit volume. It means energy density. Total energy and total energy U upon the volume V. V U is the energy stored in capacitor. Or as we know, the value of U equal to 1 upon 2 CV square and the value of V equal to AD. So by putting value U equal to 1 upon 2 CV square upon AD. Or as you know, the value of capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor C is equal to epsilon naught A upon D. So U equal to 1 upon 2 epsilon naught A upon D V square upon AD. This A cancel by this A. So U equal to 1 upon 2 epsilon naught V square upon V square. It means 1 upon 2 epsilon naught V upon V square. Okay. As you know, the electric field intensity between the plate is E and the potential difference is V. If the distance between plate is D, then V upon D is the potential gradient. It means change in potential per unit length. or as you know, the potential gradient is equal to the electrical intensity. It means E equal to V upon D. V upon D equal to E. So U equal to 1 upon 2 epsilon naught E square. It is the value of energy density. Okay, it means energy density equal to 1 upon 2 epsilon naught E square. And the symbol of energy density is small u. So U equal to 1 upon 2 epsilon naught E square. Okay, I hope you understood this derivation. This is very important for your board exam. Now, a numerical based on energy. A panel plate capacitor of 300 microfarad is charged to 200 volt. If the distance between its plate is half, what will be the potential difference between the plates and what will be the change in stored energy? Okay, it means capacitor is 300 microfarad and voltage is 200 volt and distance becomes half. So according to question, answer is that C is equal to, what is the value of C? Value of C is 300 microfarad and voltage is 200. 300 microfarad and V equal to 200 volt and the distance D dash equal to D by 2. According to the question, yes. As you know, C is equal to Q upon V. So Q equal to CV. The value of C is 300 microfarad. 300 microfarad means multiply by 10 to the power minus 6 and voltage is 200. It means Q equal to 60,000 into 10 to the minus 6. That is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 4 minus 6. It means 6 into 10 to the power minus 2 coulomb. This is the value of Q. But when distance is half, it means let initial capacitance C is equal to A epsilon naught upon D. When distance is half, A epsilon naught D by 2. It means C is equal to A epsilon naught upon D. It means C dash equal to 2 into C, double of initial capacitance. So C dash equal to 2 into 300 microfarad. It means 600 microfarad. So C dash equal to 600 10 to the power minus 6. Okay. We have to find the potential difference, final potential difference, because initial is 200. So final potential difference, as you know, C is equal to Q upon V. But when capacitance is changed, voltage is also changed, but charge remains same. Charge will same because there is no change in value of charge. So V dash equal to Q upon C dash, and value of Q is 6 into 10 to the power minus 2. And C dash is 600 10 to the power minus 6. So V dash equal to 100, 6 divided by 100, 600, and that is 10 to the power plus 6, minus 6, plus 6 minus 2. It means 10 to the power 4 upon 100. It means 10 to the power 2. It means V dash equal to 100 volt. So final voltage is 100 volt. V dash is 100 volt. Okay. Now what will be the change in stored energy? We have to also find the change in energy. So that initial energy U equal to 1 upon 2 CV square. It means 1 upon 2, the value of C. What is the value of C? The value of C is 300 microfarad. Initial value of capacitance. 300 10 to the power minus 6. And the value of B, initial voltage. Initial voltage is 200 volt. 200 square. It means 1 upon 2, 300 10 to the power minus 6. 200 into 200. It means that is 100. So 1 multiplied by this 3 into 2 and 10 to the power 2 and 2 4 2 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 into 10 to the power minus 6. It means 6 into 10 to the power 6 and minus 6. It means 6 into 10 to the power 0. And as you know, 10 to the power 0 equal to 1. It means 6 joule. The initial energy stored in a capacitor is 6 joule. Now we have to find final energy. U equal to 1 upon 2 C dash V dash square. V dash 1 upon 2 C dash is, what is the value of C dash? 6. It is equal to 600 microfarad or 600 10 minus 6 farad. Value of volt is 100 square. Okay, it means 300 so 300 100 square means 1 2 3 4 10 to the power minus 6. So 300 1 2 3 4 5 6 10 to the power minus 6. It means 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 plus 6. It means 3 into 10 to the power 0. It means 3 joule. So final energy U equal to 3 joule. So initial energy is 6 joule and final energy is 3 joule. It means change in energy U equal to U minus U dash. minus 3 in Hindu. So the difference in energy is Q. I hope you understood this numerical. So you have to try more numerical based on this concept. Thank you very much.